Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I got a second package from Calfield's Novelty. You know what that means. I got a second 25th anniversary mask, and a lot of people in the Ghostface fan group on Facebook are thinking these are the returns from the first run, since a lot of them had the blue dots of death, which is like bacteria mold. And I did find that on this one, my first one. Unfortunately, I should quarantine it. But you know what? For this video, let's pretend that I'm quarantining it. I know that my What's Up mask right here next to the plastic has the pink stain of death. So that bitch is quarantined. But is it fact or not that this is a return? Also, I got a second one so I can cut the tag and wear it for Halloween. I have low standards. I'm gonna wear it even though it has that dot. Can I just say, the vanilla scent, they tried too hard. They put cupcakes scent, cake batter scent. It's not the OG vanilla. The vanilla is like vintage vanilla. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but this smells like cupcakes. So, are we ready? Is we ready? But yeah, they sold out for the third time really quick. I told my cousin who loves Ghostface, I'm like, bitch, you better fucking get it. I told my friends, I was like, bitch, you better fucking get it, before I told the group third batch is out. Okay, enough of me talking. Let me check this. It has the wrap, the cake, the wrap for the cake batter. Ooh. I get chills. People, the serious collectors of the mask community are so pissed off at me, because I'm not just gonna cut the tag, and I'm not gonna sell this for like $700 like people are, which is ridiculous. This is the second one. Whichever one's better is going in the collection. Still, it does not smell like vanilla. It smells like cupcakes. So I realized that the old vintage vanilla scent, the closest thing I can find is this vanilla spray by Body Fantasies, and after a while it gives that smell. So if y'all want that classic vanilla scent, there you go. So this is it. The hoodie should be looking the same. Let me see if I can see any blue dots. Oh my god, the paint job in this one's okay. So definitely returns. Look at this paint job, you guys. And this mark killed me. And obviously all the black dots has a dirt stain. I think that's a dirt stain too. The paint job in the mouth is more noticeable. My first paint job, this one looks way better. Over the mouth, oh yeah, the nose part has the blue stain of death. And honestly, I'm gonna be wearing this for Halloween to give out candy to trick-or-treaters, because my last Ghostface video Halloween looked like shit. So I'm gonna show you up closes of what I'm talking about, the paint being fucked up. I'm gonna show you how this one's way better. I love it. Also this thing in the hoodie, that the first one did not have that one, the one that I got first-handed, nor this. I think this was a return from somebody else because of the paint job. And there's like a weird dirt stain. And then I don't know, this one's worse, and this one's bad compared to that one, and I'm gonna wear this one for Halloween. You collectors ain't gonna say shit. You know what my boyfriend says? Flaws. To say flaws instead of technical difficulties. I'm just saying it for the laughs, okay? We gotta put this bitch to rest. Oh, die. So out of the two, she's going back in the wall tag. Never selling this one. This bitch, I'm gonna wear it for Halloween. Okay? And you ain't gonna do shit about it because it's flawed, okay? Okay. So the question is the third run of these masks, since all 3 runs of selling these sold out really quick, is it a return type of thing? I believe so, because a lot of people were upset when getting their first batch, second batch, because the collectors, the serious ones, they don't fuck around. They want everything in mint condition. I don't give a fuck. I have low standards. But so yeah, these are my review for the masks. I personally like the way the hoodie sits better on this one than the fucked up one than this one. This one, she's trying to be emo as fuck. But other than that, the ugly bitch is going to be worn for Halloween, untagged. I'm gonna be selling the tag by itself for $1,000 like these crazy eBay sellers. And this bitch is going on my wall because I love her. So yeah, that's today's video. Subscribe if you like Ghostface. Tell me if your mask or masks have flaws. That is my review. So out of the 2, this one's the worst, and therefore she's being worn to Halloween. The other one's just gonna stay. Ready? There's no going back. Guys, I'll be selling this for $1,000. I'm just kidding. This is going on my wall. But that's how some of these crazy sellers be buying these with malfunctions, flaws. They be selling it for like $900, $1,000 for some desperate fans. I'm not selling this for $1,000. She going right here. Look at it. Looks like it has little horns. Or an alien. I'm gonna wear it because a lot of people say that try to wear these, that these were more of a bust display. Bitch, I'm not gonna put a bust. I'm gonna wear this. I'm gonna make it work. So yeah, it's untagged. It feels so illegal.
Hello, Sydney. It's an honor. It's happening.
You ready?
Never.
That's today's video. New Scream is gonna come out next year. Scream boy. And
Thank you for watching.